Hola niños! I love to bake bread, and my favorite thing is baking pan dulce. I also love to enter baking competitions and win. To win, I must be prepared and feel confident. So what do? I practice. I practice baking pan dulce lots of times. How many eggs and milk do I need? How much canela and how much sugar? Sometimes my brain would begin to worry, and I would remind myself to calm down and relax. After a few moments, I would be calm and ready to practice some more. The night before the competition, I went to bed early and woke up feeling great, confident, and successful. And guess what? I won a trophy. There are lots of ways that you can be prepared, like laying out your clothes at night to prepare for the next morning, or checking to make sure that everything is in your backpack, signed, and ready for school. You can also prepare by studying for any test. Adios for now, niños, and remember, if you want to succeed, you must prepare to feel confident. I did it, and I know you will too.